If everyone were to suddenly stop eating meat tomorrow, several consequences and effects would unfold across various aspects of society, the environment, and the economy. Here's a glimpse of what might happen. 1. Impact on agriculture. 1. There would be a sudden shift in demand for plant-based foods, leading to increased cultivation of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. 2. Farmers and industries dependent on livestock farming might face economic challenges, requiring adjustments and support. 2. Environmental effects. 1. Reduced demand for meat could alleviate some environmental issues associated with livestock farming, such as deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. 2. However, an increased demand for certain plant-based foods might lead to its own set of environmental challenges, such as monoculture and intensive farming practices. 3. Economic changes. 1. Industries related to meat production, including livestock farming, processing plants, and associated supply chains, would face significant disruption. 2. New opportunities would emerge in the plant-based food industry, creating jobs and economic growth in that sector. 4. Nutritional considerations. 1. People would need to carefully plan their diets to ensure they receive adequate nutrients that are typically obtained from meat, such as protein, iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. 2. The food industry would likely respond with a greater variety of plant-based protein sources and fortified products. 5. Cultural and social shifts. 1. Societal and cultural practices deeply rooted in meat consumption would undergo significant changes. 2. Dietary preferences, traditions, and culinary practices would evolve, influencing cultural identities. 6. Animal welfare and conservation. 1. A reduction in meat consumption might positively impact animal welfare, as fewer animals would be raised for slaughter. 2. Conservation efforts might benefit as the pressure on ecosystems from livestock farming diminishes. 7. Global trade and supply chains. 1. Countries heavily dependent on meat exports might experience economic challenges. 2. There would be a reshaping of global food supply chains to accommodate the shift in dietary preferences. 8. Health effects. 1. A sudden and widespread shift away from meat consumption could have health implications, and individuals may need to adapt to different dietary patterns. 2. Health professionals and nutritionists would play a crucial role in guiding people toward balanced plant-based diets. In reality, a sudden, universal shift away from meat consumption is unlikely. Transitioning dietary habits is a complex process that involves considerations of culture, individual preferences, economic structures, and global food systems. Any significant change would ideally be gradual and accompanied by thoughtful planning and support for affected sectors.